Coming up in this video, I've got a very cheeky and simple twist on an old favourite, an old classic, the Tequila Sunrise. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, this cocktail, inspiration from this come from my good friend Joe, who's way up north in the UK, works for the Durham distillery gins and all this kind of things. We were chatting one night and he said, hey, how about a chili flip on a Tequila Sunrise? So I've kind of gone with that, thanks Joe, and I've kind of got hopefully something that you're absolutely going to love. So we're just going to crack on. First ingredient is your tequila, 50ml double bubble. I'm just using Jose Cuervo. It's pretty much the standard sort of tequila in the UK. Is it the best? I know there's other brands out there, Don Julio, Patron, all those kind of things. It doesn't matter, use your favourite tequila. I've just gone Jose Cuervo Especial for this. So 50ml double bubble of your tequila. Freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm just going 10ml for this. All right, and then two more ingredients before the shake. The first one is some chili syrup, ODK's chili syrup, and you can get this from Drink Stuff. Links in the show notes where you can get this from. 10ml. This has got a kind of a cool chili kick to this. So 10ml going in there. That's going to be part of our red. And then I was playing about with this, so I wanted something a bit more red. I tried it with cranberry juice, well, my cranberry and raspberry juice that I love, and it was all right, and then I found that actually pomegranate juice went with this even more. So I'm just gonna do 25ml of pomegranate juice. It's just supermarket owned pomegranate juice, that's all that is. Right, so I've got the red part of my sunrise, so I'm just gonna shake that down. Fill that with ice. While I'm doing that, as always, I've kind of called this a sort of a chili sunrise, tequila chili sunrise. If you've got better name suggestions, pop them in the comments below. And then while you're there, if you like me and if you like these videos, give me a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Make sure you don't miss any of my future stuff. And also, big shout out, I've just iced that up, to my Patreons. Thank you so much for your support. A couple of new faces in there this time round filming. So a big shout out, newcomers Scott and Mark. Thank you for the love. Right, loads of ice, plenty of ice there. Right, good hard and fast shake for about 12 seconds. There we have it. Right, just pop that to one side. Right, I just need to single strain this into my fresh glass. This will go to the bottom. So that's the red part. Now, Tequila Sunrise is traditionally tequila, tequila and orange juice, and then a bit of grenadine at the bottom. However, I'm going to use something slightly different. I'm going to go mango because I've actually done this quite a few times. A chili and mango margarita. It's that mango chili and tequila. Just works really well together. So I'm going to use Rubicon's mango. This is their sparkling mango. And I'm just going to pour this very slowly over the top ice cube, and that should nicely sit on top. Look at that. How perfect is that? So there we have it. And then just to garnish, well, it's obvious, isn't it really? Just to garnish, we're gonna do decent chili like that. Just gonna split that in half, just to put it on the side of the glass. You could actually chop that up and put that actually in the cocktail. But there we go. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know your comment suggestions. If you want to see other tequila videos, there'll be a playlist that pop up on screen at the end of this video, and then my other playlists. I've got my rum playlist, my vodka and my gin playlist. What's this going to taste like? Oh, that's good. Chili and mango. It's just absolutely amazing. I love that. Cheers.